So welcome back everyone. Like I said on the previous video, on the last video, that we are going to do an entity mapping and create a relationship between the entities, one to one, one to many, many to one, and many to many. But unfortunately, today we are going to do only one to many, many to one, and many to many, because I can't really find a one-on-one relationship on the data set. If you see here, on our established data set from the DVD, we can see that there are no unique constraints on the table. So if we see the actor, obviously the actor will appear on multiple movies, and the multiple movies will have multiple actors. So it will be our task today to create a relationship many to many. And actually I assume that the address customer will have one-to-one relationship with the address, but it's not the case, because this address will store also the address from the rental, the stuff, and also the store. It is the on the address, it does hold on the address it does hold one customer each, and also one rental, one stuff each, also one store. But they don't have like I said, they don't specify a unique unique constraints. It's just a foreign key constraint. So it doesn't make any sense to do one-to-one relationship, as we can actually put multiple entries on the address. So yeah, like I said, so we just do one to many and many to one relationship today from the from our database. So yeah, let's begin from the many to one and many to many. No, one to many and many to one, and it's between the film and the language. So the idea, one film will only have one language, but one language could be on the multiple films. So that's the idea of many to one and one to many. So that's really important that we use this annotation many to one from the film perspective. Why? Because actually the film itself, like I just said, will only have one language, and but one language can appear or can be on multiple films. So that's the idea. We join the column with the name language ID, which cannot be null. So, and we create this language object entity, and then on the other entity language, I already create this language table, and we set this to one to many. So one language, multiple films, many films on one language. So that's logic. That's why I'm creating this list of films, and it's just one object of language. So, and also the surface and the resource layer wouldn't change too much, because the logic itself, I think that should be on the mapper, or the bridge between the DTO and the entity or the database layer. So if you are not using entity, you can if you're not using DTO and you want to present, or you want to show what's on the entity, you should put the logic on the surface, because you don't have any mapper. So I think, yeah, that's a trade-off, I guess. Yeah, so let's do it now. Let's do from the DTO. We go from the DTO. Here is the film DTO, and also it's the mapper. It's really crucial because that's all where my logics are. So yeah, so on the film DTO, it's okay. I think I should comment out this one. It's for later. So it's still holding the same idea, film with a film ID with the type of long, string title, string description, string, just like last time, release year with the year. And now this is the one that's new. We create another language ID information, which also will type long, and then we just have to add some fields here. So it should be film. We mention language because we already, this is the object that we created previously on the film entity, so we can call it here language, and it's the field language ID. And then so I think that should be it. Okay, good. Look at all the warnings. Yes, I'm saving it's for later, because we are going to do many to many relationship, and we need a little bit more logic. So yeah, so that's one from the to DTO, from the entity to DTO. So again, this is the mapper. Once we would like to show or to present our DTO to the user interface, or to the front end, we take the film entity, and then we return new film DTO, and we just have to follow the pattern what we on the what fields, or which fields are on the DTO. Film ID, title, description, release here, and now we have the language ID. So that's all. Now it's the other way around. It's to entity, so we take the DTO as an argument. So we specify the fields, film, language. How do we get the language? So we take we use our language entity, and it's using find by ID, and we take the ID from the DTO information, and it's because record, so it should be a method, and like that. So I think that's all. Not from the update entity, it's almost the same, but the difference would be on it's still the language, find by ID again. Oops. Oh, wait a second. Find by ID. Now it's from the updated film DT. Sorry. Update film DTO. Updated film DTO. Yeah, that's right. And it's also the film ID. Okay, cool. Film ID, yeah, that should be it. Update film DTO, film ID, yeah, it should be alright. Okay, I think we can already check it. Oh yeah, by the way, this is unidirectional, so we only map from film to language. You can also do the bidirectional by adding the same logic on the language side. You just have to put the same thing, language DTO, and we will map to language entity, and it will store the film ID. So it's almost the same thing. So I just create the from the unidirectional perspective, and then if somebody wants to do the bidirectional, so it's just doing the same logic. Okay, I think we already good to go. After detail, what happened? Oh wait, I think it's just from the last time. Just a second. Okay, let's from Java DTO actor DTO. What's the game? Ah, it's mapper. Oh yeah, we can second DTO actor DTO. Yeah, we just have to comment out this one first. Okay, cool. Should be it. Yeah. Okay, it's from later. Okay, so we first if we get actors here, try it out. Hopefully it works. No, it's not actor. It should be a film. Sorry. If we get all films here, where is it? So it shows the language here. Language ID it's 111. I think you can actually give another detail on the output or on the API, this language ID, and under it will be a language name, but I don't think that will be necessary. It's just go for the IED. I guess that should be fine. If just in case if you want to do it, I guess you have to do like this. DTO. I think you just have to add another fields here. No, not here. Better here at the end. It's gonna be a string language name. And so let's see if it's working. Java. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if it's working. No. Film language it's language name it should be FMGTO. Yeah, it should be language ID, language name. Oops. Oh, string language name. Name. Oh, there's his name. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's name on the, if you see here, so that's the problem. If you see the our database, if we look at the table on language, it's called name. Okay, that's why. Okay, I think if we restart again, or we just execute this one. Okay, one error. Let's okay. What is this? Error starting Quarkus. Do I save it already? I think it did. Alright, let's start this one. Yeah, so you see, there will be English here. So yeah, but I don't think it does make sense. It does make sense. So yeah, I just gonna delete it on here. I just use the ID and also here. I use ID. That's enough. Okay. Yes, again. Okay, cool. That's all. Okay, next I will show you to add another movie, I guess. Just to test. Post a new film. Try it out. We don't need the ID, title, French movie, description, a film from Lyon. So the year, because we put year, it should be all the details, but we don't need the details actually. We just delete it, and don't forget to put a quotation 2026. Language ID 105, because it's just here. If you see here, select all from language. So one Italian, French, German. Okay, 5. We don't need this one. Let's see. What is it? Oh, okay. Oh, release year? What happened with the release year? Should be like this. Identify what we know. Let's see. I don't know. Happens a lot. This year, yeah, it's just a normal list here, I guess. Let's do it again. Why it's not working? Identifier may not be null. Exception in film mapper. That's our film mapper. Or is it because they... wait, I think... Java service... From service... No. VTO? Yeah. Why it's not working? I don't know. Let's reset. You don't need film ID, title, French, movie, description, film from Leon. Really, we need this one, do we? Five. We don't need this one. Oh, it's wrong with the release here. I tried to. Language, find my ID. Language, find my ID, film detail. Okay. I don't get it, guys. Yeah, I think that should be correct because it doesn't show any error here. Entity film detail, that's the mapper. Just a second. It's I don't think it's null, is it? It's not working. Oh, what's the error again? Line 34, that's 34, it's here. It should be language ID, not film ID. Yes. Let's see. Hopefully this works. Yeah, okay, cool. No mistake. So if we do some fetching again, get 2008 French movie. Okay, cool. Delete it. We don't want it. Delete. Response. Okay. No content. When we search by ID again, not found. Cool. Let's work. Okay. Sorry guys. Let's move to the next one. It's many to many relations here. Okay, so we open the the entity first again. Like I said, it's gonna be the actor and also the film. So we open the entity first. So we already did this one. So okay, it's really important. I don't know how the convention look like, but I'm just doing the actor side or the actor entity as the owning side, and the film entity here on the left one is the inverse side or the other side. So by the owning side, we create this annotation again, many to many, and we use this join table, what you call it, it's a film actor. It's going to bridge the film and the actor, and we join the columns with the name actor ID. So join columns is the owning column ID, so it's the actor, and the inverse join column, it's the inverse side, so it's the film. And also we create, because we have a many-to-many relationships, of course, that we are going to store the value with a multiple. We just cannot create a single entity. That's why we use set. Why? Because that avoids us to enter the same data. But on the other hand, on the DTO, I will use list because we care about sorting. So when we are saving into the database, we use set, so we avoid, we prevent the duplication. But when we are showing to the DTO, we are going to use list. So I will show you that. And by the way, I will like to say that in many-to-many relationships, it's just my assumption. It should be bidirectional in the nature. So because if you show an actor with the language, and also the language will also show the actor, so it's kind of bidirectional relationship. So, and one more thing, when we do the many-to-many relationships on the DTO, we need to create a separate DTO, like I show you here, because we prevent a recursive problem I just mentioned. So if we are storing the film DTO into the actor DTO and actor DTO to the film DTO, so it will create an endless loop. So it will crash the program and it won't show you anything. So maybe if you saw some video that they are using a JSON ignore on the annotation, but it's from the entity or the database to the front end, so they are not using the DTO. But if you are using the DTO, we need to create another DTO. That's why I already have a DTO called simple actor DTO, which stores not all the information that the full DTO, only the actor ID, first name and last name, and also here a simple film DTO, just film ID and the title, so it won't create a recursive problem or an endless loop. If we see here on our full DTO, film DTO, so it stores all this one. So in this case, when we are showing the film DTO inside the actor, so we're not putting all this information again, just some ID and title, that's all. Okay, so we're not creating a recursive problem. So that's the main point. Yeah, what else, what shall I say? Okay, yeah, we start from the mapper again, I guess. No, we start from the DTO. Java DTO. We're using film DTO first, and Java mapper, film mapper. Okay, so like I said, we just uncomment this one. I've prepared this. So simple actor DTO, not a normal DTO. Okay, so we use the simple one, so we're not storing all the actors information on the film DTO. If we use a normal DTO, that would be again a recursive problem. So, and I'll store it on the actors. So now on the mapper, we just have to add this set of actor, list of actor, yeah, on the after the title. So okay, I think we have to, this is a little bit tricky, I guess, here, because we need to map a little bit more values than usual. So film actors, and then we use string because it's a set, and then we map it. What we are going to map is I think it's actor DTO, simple actor DTO. No, we map we take actor entity, wait a second, we map actor, create, wait, I think it should be create an arrow function. It's gonna be a return we create new simple actor DTO like this. So we close this. We close this one first. Okay. And we look at our DTO simple. Okay, it's actor ID, first name, last name. So what happened? It's great. Simple actor DTO. So it's gonna be actor ID, actor first name, actor last name. Okay. It's use simple actor DTO. Oh, just a second, guys. I think Again, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, so we were here. So we actually call the actors. We stream it because it's a set, and then we map our entity to a new simple actor DTO that we just created. Again, follow the same pattern: ID, first name, last name. We return it again to list, and the rest is the same as the film DTO here. Description, receiver, language ID. Okay, and for the entity, it's almost the same. We just have to do film dot actors equals to it's actor DTO oh wait, it's it's a film DTO dot actors map. What do we map? We map our DTO here. Simple actor DTO. It's DTO. We map into its we map into our actor entity. We have to explicitly say that we are going to return this an actor, otherwise it's gonna be an object or a panish entity. It's an actor. Find by ID. Oops. By ID. Then we take it from the film DTO dot film ID. What do we do here? Then this is really important. We return it. We collect first, then collectors to set. It's really important. Oops, what happened? I don't think we need this one. Or do we? Collectors to set. And this one. And this. Wait. This one is for the collector set. This one for the map. Oh. Oh, yeah. Why is it? It's got DTO. Oh, it's the DTO here. Where do I have it? This is set. Yes, again. What does it say? The complete expression. So it's the map. What do we have here? Collectors. Okay, let's do it all over again, guys. So what do we map? It should be simple actor DTO. It's the DTO, and then we create an arrow function. Let's be our actor, and then we have our actor here. Find by ID. What do we find? It's the DTO actor ID. Okay, and then from here we collect, and we use the collectors to set. Hey, okay. Okay. Hey, it's actors. I have this. I have to stream it first. Stream and then map. Film video. Forget it. A second, guys, so it won't take long. Okay, maybe I need to, I think, I think I have to close the mapping first and then do this import. Again, it should be method. Okay, fine. And this one's also almost the same. We do it quick. Film actor collectors equals to updated film DTO actors. Again, we do this stream, and then map. What do we map? It's simple after DTO. Again, arrow function. It's gonna be our actor. Find by ID, DTO, actor ID, map, this collectors to set okay. That's all. I think we have to do the same thing on the actor mapper. Just do it quick here. But we need to see first what's the so it's ID. Oops. So it's before the last update. So right here. Then with actor films stream what do we and then we map. What do we map? It's actor dot doing up here film arrow function new simple film video and then film ID film dot title, I guess. And there's the map. To this. Okay, good. It's the same one here. Just do another actor. Films equals to actor GTO dot films stream map. Again, what do we map? We map this as simple film DTO and arrow function. We return film film with find by ID VTO film ID map, and then we collect collectors dot to set. Okay. Oh, it should be a method again here. Again, it's the same thing here. After dot films. After now simple film DTO actors. No films. Okay. Oh, wait. Should be here. Films. Stream. We get map. What do we map? It's our simple film DTO arrow function entity film find by ID DTO film ID. Edit the map. Now map is here. Collect collectors dot to set. Okay, I think that's all. Now it lists just the logic now. Shoot. Let's how do I okay set this. We do a film surface here. Okay, all the way down. We create a method assign film to actor. So it's a transactional public. It will return a film DTO, and it will need a long film ID and long actor ID. So what we do here, we again as usual film, we check for the film by finding the ID. It's a film ID, and then no checking if film no, then throw new not found exception film not found. Oops. Now we check for the actor. Oh, I forget the assign film to actor. No. No. Should be here. Assign. actor check enter equals new new found section actor is not found. And this is really important. We have to use add function. So we do an actor first. It's the only inside first. Dot film add film, and then film dot actors, the inverse side, add actor. Because we return DTO, we have to return film mapper to DTO film. Okay, hopefully this one works. Let's see if this is working. Let's check our actor first. What happened if we fetch all the actor? Does it show the film? So yeah, so actor ID 2, films, yeah, they appear on several films like I said. Oh yeah, I forget something. We still need to give the resource layer film resource. Yeah, I think, oh, we already have this one. Okay, so yeah, I prepared something. So on the resource layer, we create a put method, and the path is of actually the base path is already films, and then we put an ID here, and then actors, which actor, again actor ID, and then we create this parameter here for the path, film ID and actor ID, so it's dynamically changed. And again we create a DTO here according to our surface, and yeah, we return response again. So if we want to assign film to actor, we first find the film and then find the actor, which actor we want to add to the movies to, and then we execute. Okay, so let's try it. I don't know, just pick one. Okay, actor ID 4, Jennifer Davis. Okay, what Jennifer Davis, actor ID 4, and we get films, and we'll just find any other. So it's a bit loud here. It's an old laptop. Okay, try it out. Yeah, so see. Okay, so film ID 38. Okay, so actor ID, film ID. Okay, actor ID 4, film ID 3, 384. Okay, now we act here. Okay, try it out. After ID, we have 4, Jennifer Davis, film ID number 384. What's the movie's name? It's too slow. Grow so wonderful. Okay, grow so wonderful. Go execute. So we'll assign this movie Grow So Wonderful to Jennifer Davis. So when we fetch Jennifer Davis, she should have, or he should have, this Grow So Wonderful movies. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, actor ID is here. So film ID 384, title Grows Wonderful, the actors are here, all the actors, and Jennifer Davis is already here. When we saw here, Grows Wonderful, you see Jennifer Davis is not here. Okay, yeah, I think that's all. Sorry, it's kind of a bit long and pause in between because I need to do something. Yeah, I hope the next video I'm going to do this role-based access control. So I will create a new table. It's called user, so they can log in and the user can only see fetch all the movies and the actors, but they cannot change or they cannot update, they cannot delete the entity. They can only see, or they can only fetch. And also I will also create admin or super user, who can do all things on the API. So it's kind of the security. So when we create an application, we should have the admin who can create the user, change the user role or something like that. So I try to use the role-based access control, who can access which resources. So thank you again. See you on the next video.